Okay. And then 0. Okay. Then we make the dome. Dome is a big dome like that. Then do this. Make box right there.
This is a Malibu?
Yeah, let's go check it out.
There.
And it sells for...
And like that. Of course, those are the whistles right
I'm
there.
very impressed.
Yeah, I mean, all this technology.
That's a game changer, really. I want one.
There.
How can this have been washed
There.
12 weeks ago?
That's the coal right there.
Unstoppables in wash scent boosters. The more you pour, the more scent you'll save.
Okay.
Toss it in before your clothes for luxurious
Okay.
scent up to
So there we go.
Unstoppables by Downy, America's best
There we
scent
go.
booster.
There we go. And then make the face. So we make a half arch right there. Then we make an actual arch for the nose. Then another half arch. And make a face like that. Then the mouth like that. And color it in. Then we make an arch right there. And color an eye in. A circle in. And then eyebrow. And then try to like do this.
However, if you drive the award-winning Jeep Grand Cherokee or the versatile Jeep Cherokee, you'll realize the top is just
Lamp.
the beginning. One drive and you'll discover why the Jeep brand continues to be the best-selling SUV brand.
Right. There we go.
Qualified current lessees of competitive vehicles get a low-mileage lease on the 2016 Cherokee.
Thank you guys so much for watching.